A gasket is one of those parts that you don't think about until it fails. But when it does, it can lead to some of the most expensive repairs in the automotive world. Essentially, a gasket is a mechanical seal that fills the space between two surfaces to prevent liquids or gases from leaking out. In your engine, these seals are everywhere. But the most famous one is the head gasket. It sits between the engine block and the cylinder head, acting as a critical barrier that keeps your engine oil, cooling fluid, and the intense pressure of the combustion chambers completely separate. If these fluids ever mix, you are in for a world of trouble. The most common sign of a failing head gasket is white smoke billowing out of your tailpipe, which usually means coolant is leaking into the cylinders and being burned off. You might also notice your engine oil looking like a frothy milkshake, which is a clear sign that water and oil are mixing. Most gaskets fail because of extreme heat, a situation commonly known as blowing a gasket. While the part itself might not be the most expensive thing in the shop, the labor required to get to it can be significant because the engine has to be partially disassembled. That is why it is so important to never ignore a rising temperature gauge or a small leak. Regular maintenance and keeping your cooling system in top shape are the best ways to ensure these seals stay intact. Taking care of a small leak today can save you from a total engine rebuild tomorrow, keeping your car on the road and your repair bills manageable.